everyone, welcome to Gardening with Alexa. Sorry for the delay in the upload of the videos, but it's due to the fact that my greenhouse arrived. Today I'm going to give you a tour of what I have so far in the garden for my spring garden in my raised beds, which are over here, which I will show you, and what I have growing in my greenhouse. Let's get to it. So here's what I have so far in my spring garden. Broccoli rabe. Started some radish from seed, it's popping up. Spinach as well, popping up. In this entire area over here, we have broccoli rabe seed. We got some broccoli in here, looking fantastic. Thyme, looking very nicely. Got some escarole. Some spinach. Over here we got some beets growing. A little hard to see, as well as leeks up there in the back. Parsley. And two broccolis right here. Cauliflower along the back. Then we got some green cabbage. Some red cabbage. A little bit of oregano, a bunch of different types of lettuces, as well as this entire area. I put some lettuce seed in. Then what do we got here? Some more thyme along the wall there. Try to input herbs around all my plants, keep away pests. Bok choy, put seed all in this area and this area. Oregano, some scallions looking nice and plump. Chives, just started. Then we got Brussels sprouts, about 9 of them I believe. Celery, testing it out, I know it's a hard veggie to grow. Lemon balm in the back. Then a couple kales. Gonna be putting marigolds in here as well as in here. And the rest of the garden will be a bunch of different types of herbs as well. And whatever I feel the need to put in. This is just the start. Look at this beautiful thyme. I had a tough time growing thyme from seed inside or buying store-bought plants and trying to keep them alive indoors, but man, in the greenhouse these things flourished. We started these, not even a little over a month ago. Look at that. One thing to point out, the blood meal and what it did in adding worm castings. I did a trial here. This hole, I didn't add anything, just the compost. But these holes, look how big these plants are growing. I don't know, there's magic in there. If you're watching this video and you're like, where's your fence? It's there. Don't you worry, there's a lot of deer in that field. I have a fence up. These raised beds are 24 inches high. Nothing is getting in here. Welcome to my greenhouse. This is my fun little getaway for the past month. Greenhouse looking a little packed right now. A lot of flowers in here. And a lot of vegetables, obviously. Started some strawberries, bare root, doing a trial run there. Some moonflower. Bunch of snapdragons up top. Another strawberry. And I got more flowers over here. Canterbury bells, foxgloves. Had a few fungus gnats, that's why I got the sticky traps there. Lavender, lemon balm, mint, sage. And I'm trying some toy choy by seed. I'm gonna plant them out as seedlings, and some cosmos, more broccoli rabe, baby bok choy. Got a lot of lupine, rosemary, some more flowers, rudbeckia, more snapdragon, a lot more lupine. Look how beautiful those are. Daisies, more lupine. Over here we got some poppies. What do we got here? More lupines grown by my mom. More flowers and such. And more foxgloves, Canterbury bells. Up here, what do we got here? Oh, we got dahlias. So I tried dahlias from seed this year. I had bulbs last year, but I wanted to try them from seed. They look nice, I must say. What do we got here? More poppies. And I got some, what do we got? Amaranth and 4 o'clock, starting by seed. From delphinium, those were tough. Didn't get many to germinate. And then some more lupine again. Got a lot of lupine this year. Bachelor button. More lupine, moonflowers. But it's looking pretty good. Moonflowers are so cool. Surprise visit from some hyacinths that I just threw in the ground last year. Looking great. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe. Gardening with Alexa. Happy gardening.